Esme, and here at Polyvine we wanted to tell you a little bit more about Decorators Varnish and how it can be used to protect wallpaper. So we asked professional painter and decorator Nick Sammut from Rushmore Painting and Decorating to talk us through how he uses this product.
So the reason why I like to use the Polyvine Decorators Varnish is because it's easy to apply. It's water-based, meaning that it dries quickly, so you can get a quicker job turnaround. It protects against UV rays, so if your wallpaper is exposed to natural light, it will help prevent against colour fade in the future. And it adds an element of stain resistance and washability to your wallpaper, meaning your wallpaper will last a lot longer. So before applying the Polyvine Decorators Varnish, it's wise to make sure that your wallpaper is clean and free from any contaminants. And then when you're ready to go, make sure you mix the Polyvine Decorators Varnish gently. You don't want to shake the container too much. You don't want to get any air bubbles in, just a gentle mix. Making sure that it's thoroughly mixed up. And then pour your product into your pot. It's recommended to use a varnishing brush with a thinner stock so that you don't apply too much product, and a short pile roller. I'm going to do the edges first, as we would if we were painting a wall. So we use the brush, go around the beam here for example. Really nice product to work with, goes on really well. And then once you've done all your edges, roll the centre. When dry, this will blend in beautifully to the wallpaper, giving a really natural look to the dead flat finish. So this is a perfect example of where Polyvine Decorators Varnish will be a great product to use. We've got a sink with some wallpaper either side, and what we want to do is add an element of durability and wipeability to this wallpaper to prevent it from getting damaged and stained in the future. What you want to make sure of is that your wallpaper is clean and dry and free from any debris and contaminants before applying the Decorators Varnish. So that's the first coat applied. It's recommended to apply 2 to 3 coats, and once dried and fully cured, the wallpaper will be water resistant. Polyvine Decorators Varnish comes in gloss, satin and dead flat. For a wallpaper, to retain that natural matte look of wallpaper, I would recommend the dead flat, but Polyvine recommend for extra durability to apply 2 coats of satin followed by 1 coat of dead flat for that extra stain resistance and durability. For more product information and to find your local stockist, visit polyvine.com.